What's going on, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1965 Mustang with a believed to be 289. What we do up here is these test drive videos let you know everything about the car that we can find, and when we get back from the test drive, we're going to do a separate video walking around pointing out any kind of flaws. Check out maplemotors.com for more information. Hit that subscribe button. Let's go for a ride. We'll look around the interior before we take off here. Kind of try some stuff out. He's looking pretty clean. Seats are in good condition. Carpet doesn't look bad. Back seat looks great. Headliner's a little bit stretched out in the top. A lot of common problems you see. Go ahead and start it up here. Showing 38,000 miles. Of course, I can't stand behind that. It's probably not the original mileage on this car. Try our horn out here. It's clicking like it's getting contact, but it's not blowing. Windshield wipers do work. Radio looks like it works. Specializing in SR. It does work. Blower motor for fans working. No AC on this one. And we'll have to stop and get gas because it's showing dead on E right now. We'll see if we can get that to change. Let's roll. Went ahead and got my seatbelt on here. So we got a generator light on the dash here, but that's been changed. Speedometer's kind of bouncing around a little bit. Oh. Didn't want to hit them potholes pulling out. It's a long gear there. I thought I was in second for a second. Shifted when it got up to high. I don't think the kickdown's hooked up on this one. I can hear the turn signals clicking on the dash and popping up. Speedometer looks like it's pretty correct. It was bouncing around a lot at first, but it's reading right. Steering wise, very sensitive as soon as I turn. It's not exactly straight. Brake wise, they're stopping moderately fast. I mean, if I get down on them, they'll stop fast. They feel pretty good though. Go ahead and pull in here. Probably gonna get about $20 worth of gas. And then we're gonna take off down the road again. No power steering in this one. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put $20 worth of fuel in here, see if the gas gauge works. Looks like our temp gauge is coming up, so I think it works as well. We'll keep watching everything. Put the gas in here. We'll check that gauge. So your gas gauge is on this side here. We'll turn the key on. We'll see if it comes up. It works. $20 gets you half a tank. Shifts at a higher RPM on this car. Did notice the temp gauge, it started to come up right off the bat and it just never come off the C, so it only came up like not even a quarter of an inch. I'm gonna go ahead and manually shift it out. Hopefully people don't pull out in front of me. There's a lot of traffic out today for some reason. Since we ain't got nobody in front of it, I got it in third right now. We'll slow down. It takes a while for it to shift. Goes all the way up and then shifts. Still nobody behind me, so. There we go. See, by the time it shifts, it's showing we're already doing 45, 50 mile an hour. We're running up on this guy pretty fast. So. He's got a motor on his trailer. We're going to turn on this road here, kind of check the suspension. Everything else seems really good on this car. Steering's nice and tight, brakes feel good. Somebody just has it set up to shift at higher RPM, so. Alright. There's a bump right in the middle of this road. We're going to hit it, kind of test the suspension. About right here. Suspension seems fine, a little noisy, but other than that, we went over it nice and smooth. A good open road here. Like it's pulling a little bit to the right as well. See it pulling. Get turned around and head back to the lot now. By the time it shifts, you're already doing 45, so. You're hearing a lot of wind noise. I got that window cracked over there. It's getting a little warm up in here. Good thing we're heading back. It's starting to try to sprinkle on us. We'll get this car put up before we get her all dirty again. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this test drive. Took her down the road, pointed out any flaws that I've seen. You can also see a walk around video. All you got to do is wait to the end of this video. It'll pop up in the bottom right corner. Hit that subscribe button, and if you like them, we'll post them every day. Go to maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and I can transport this car anywhere. be sure to give us a call, 615-822-4444. But before you do that, watch both videos, check those pictures out, and make sure we still have it. If it says sold in the description, that means the car is gone. If you like my equipment, I'll post it down below. Everything that I'm using, GoPro 7, GoPro Max, all the mounts and accessories. You can check all that out in the description, buy it straight off Amazon. I do appreciate y'all watching. Have a good one.